So hello, this is Team Code Blooded, and today we are going to present our application ResQAI. ResQAI is a comprehensive disaster management platform designed to enhance preparedness, response, and resilience in the face of emergencies. By leveraging advanced technologies like Google's Vertex AI and Gemini Flash, ResQAI provides real-time disaster alerts, predictive insights, and case studies to help users make informed decisions. ResQAI helps generate response plans, track the status of ongoing rescue efforts, and ensure efficient coordination across all levels of disaster response. This is the awareness page of ResQAI, a dedicated space designed to help users stay informed and prepared for disasters. This page emphasizes the critical importance of disaster preparedness. At the core of this page is the Generate Case Studies feature. Powered by the Google Gemini Flash AI model, it provides detailed insights into how governments and communities responded to major disasters throughout history. By learning from real world examples, users will gain valuable knowledge of effective strategies and actions taken during emergencies. The Rescue AI chatbot is a powerful tool integrated into a platform built using Google Gemini Flash AI and sourced with Google Search. It is designed to provide users with quick and accurate information about disasters, both ongoing and historical. Through the chatbot, users can access real-time updates about any disaster happening around the globe or dive into detailed insights about past events. The quiz feature in Rescue AI is designed to help users access their knowledge and readiness regarding disaster management, from general disaster preparedness to specific actions for handling events like earthquakes, floods, or cyclones.
This is our logging page. This is a starting point where users can log in. To streamline collaboration during emergencies, roles are distributed among nation, state, and district organizations. Additionally, NGOs and citizens are included to participate as volunteers, fostering a comprehensive and inclusive approach to disaster management. Now we would be logging in. After logging in, this is the page. This is the home page that provides a nation view of disasters detailing the status and severity. Department can use filters provided to refine the list and focus on the specific disasters. We will explore this page in detail later. Now let's move to the AI suggestion page. This page highlights current weather conditions across India with a focus of extreme weather events and their respective subdivisions. Departments can use the search bar to find specific details of the subdivisions. In addition to real-time weather update, this page integrates data from reliable agencies like Indian Meteorological Department, ensuring accuracy of prediction. This facilitates effective disaster response planning and verification of forecasts. Now, currently for prototyping purposes, the platform supports two disaster models, earthquake prediction and flood prediction. Earthquake prediction is built using Google Vertex Auto ML and is deployed on Google Cloud Platform using Vertex APIs. Now, our flood prediction model is developed using custom machine learning algorithms deployed on GCP and trained on verified Kaggle datasets. User input specific details such as subdivisions and a minimum of 5 rainfalls to predict flood risk. Now, here we can see the prediction given by the model. We can see the historical disaster context as well as the government recommendation and recent news related to the area. Similarly, we can do the earthquake prediction for the same. Now, I have entered the data into the earthquake prediction model. I have intentionally entered the data which is adverse. So, I would be predicting the earthquake risk. The AutoML based model on Vertex AI processes the input to predict the likelihood of the earthquake. Insights are enhanced using Google Gemini 1.5 Pro model. If the predicted earthquake magnitude exceeds a critical threshold, a warning is generated. Users are prompted to monitor the situation further. Now, here in this modal, we can initiate the monitoring of the disaster by filling this. Once the monitor is initiated, the disaster list that is called the incoming disaster section. This section displays all the disaster being tracked by the national departments, highlighting potential threats to various subdivisions. We can see the details in the modal of the particular disaster. Now, if any organization observes worsening condition in a specific area, they can escalate the situation to declare the disaster officially.
Now, once a disaster is declared, it is automatically added to our database managed by Firestore. The details of the disaster are then displayed on the home page for all stakeholders. Here you can see different disasters. To view more detail, you can click on this button, and here you can see all the details about a specific disaster. Now you can also see the view map where it shows all the disasters pinned. Also, we have a filtering options. Now, for every disaster, we have three tabs: response plan, resource request, and situation reports. In response plan, this tab offers a timeline-based front-end interface where you can track tasks assigned to different departments and committees. These tasks are directly assigned by higher authorities. On clicking on any task, you can view the updates and the information about that task. Now let's talk about the resource request. In the resource request, you can see the resources requested by any department. You can click on view details to see all the details about the resources requested. The committee can either approve, reject, or contact a specific organization. You can also filter this. Now let's talk about situationship report feature. In situationship report, you can select a specific feature and then click on an AI autofill feature, which autofills all the details that you have based on the situationship report's history and the response plan and their progress. This will avoid the tiresome task of manually filling the report. So as you can see that our AI autofill feature powered using Gemini 1.5 Pro in Vertex AI fine-tuned for this specific task have generated these details and have been autofilled. Now you can either store it locally by clicking on this generate detailed PDF report, or you can click on store report to store it online. So it has been stored successfully. You can also click on this. Now, when you go to home for the specific disaster hurricane alpha under situationship reports, you can see this report 6 that is added currently and the history of all the reports. You can click on this view button to view the details about that specific situationship report in a well-crafted front end. Now you can use a generative AI analysis of all reports feature, which uses our AI model to make an analysis using all the reports history. Now, as you can see, the AI analysis has been generated. You can read it and you can make further decisions. You can download it as text. Now, let's move on to our next feature, which is send notification. Here you can select the disaster, and based on the disaster, you can create a alert, which is for specific target audiences. Also, you can manage alerts where you can see the incoming notifications. We have AI suggestions tab where you can generate the content for the notification. As you can see, the data has been generated. You can read the data and you can copy the data and then paste into the notification tab. And once completed, you can send the alert. You also have a feature of collaborate. This feature is powered by Sockets IO for real-time collaboration in chats. You can talk to different disaster committees. For example, I have message it. It is a real-time communication app.
Citizen dashboard. First, we have the donate feature, which ensures citizens can contribute to verified government relief funds based on Firebase hosting and integrated with Google Cloud Platform. Next, we have Save Me feature. This feature enables citizens to send their geospatial location and number of people stuck with them. With the help of Vertex AI, the data is instantly analyzed and prioritized within the situationship report. Additionally, ResQAI offers an opportunity for citizens to apply as volunteers. Through the Citizen Dashboard, ResQAI transforms passive spectators into active participants. Join us in creating a future where disaster no longer mean devastation, but a united effort to rebuild, recover, and save lives. Thank you to the Hack to Skill community and Google community for providing Team Code Blooded with this incredible opportunity.